Here we go, Monday morning. Let's make some money today, eh? The goal. Looking here at CORT, possibly shorting here at open if this thing can't crack above that $19 area. Jumping in here on CORT, looking for this move back down there to the bottom. Down there to the 1825 area again. There we go. Look at this. See this pull back down there to 1825. See if I can get filled here at 1855. It's bouncing there, so we're going to jump out. Just a quick little 20 center. Trying to get filled down there at 1850. There she goes. Just trying. Bouncing off this 1850 area right here. You can see kind of that previous support there, 1850. And there it is, about to break. Oh, man, there she goes. She's trying right here, 1850 break. She's going down. So there it is, CORT back down there to the 1825 area. 1825, there it is, 1825. Whoo! Look at it go, down there to $18. We got BSPM making a big move here from 390 up there to 444. Pulling back now. Get above that 450 area. So CORT down there to 1710. Look at that. Low, 1710. Insane. You can see on the 1 minute chart what really went down here. So I ended up shorting. I felt like I shorted a pretty good area. You had a little bit of bouncing. It looks like I was like, okay, maybe it's bouncing here at the 1850 area. Maybe it's finding some support. But nope. It just rolled off. It sold off from 1870 down there to 1710. You can see my orders there. Getting short there at 1893. And covering there at 1870. So was I right to cover that at that point? It's hard to say. You know, I tried to get covered there at 1850. It wasn't getting filled. So then I was like, I'm just going to get out there at 1870, lock in a $100 profit. You know, we'll see what happens. And then it just started rolling off. Didn't give me another entry. And I was like, well, okay, screw it. I'm going to walk away. And look at it. Down there to 1710. 1710. Really, this was a, you know, really I should have just focused on being patient here, and I was not patient. So you can see what happens when you're not patient, when I'm not patient, how, you know, this 23-cent move could have been a, you know, $1.50, $1.50 move, which would have been a much nicer payday. Instead of making $115, I could have made, you know, $500, $600, $700. It's frustrating to say the least. And, you know, now it's just like kind of screwing with me because now I'm thinking about, like, oh, I should have just done this, or I should have done that. Why did I cover? Why did I do that? I've been telling myself I'm just going to wait for these trades to really play out. And, you know, I probably should have just put my stop up here at the 1930 area. Would have been a nice little trade here on CORT. Didn't work out for me. Well, it worked out for me, but it just could have been a much better trade and a lot more profitable if I would have just gave it some more time, was a little bit more patient there. I went into the trade thinking that I was looking for this move down there to 1830, $18 area. That was kind of my game plan. I should have stuck to the game plan. You know, even if this was kind of bouncing there, I should have just said, hey, we're going to stick to this. We're going to go into this trade. We're going to risk the 20, 30 cents for that 50, 60 cent move lower. And we could have done that. The one issue I think that was kind of not bothering me, but I was thinking about was this was already down like 25% on the day. This was already down like 20% on the day. You can see it gapped down from the $22 area down there at 19. You know, I'm looking at it pre-market like, hey, it's already gapped down. It's finding some support there pre-market. It's kind of bouncing there 1820. You know, maybe this is going to find a bottom here, and maybe it's going to start bouncing from there. It really cracked that 1820 support and really crashed. I mean, the low there was 1710 on that candle. So pretty nice little move there on CORT. Talked about it in the live stream for a little bit. It's frustrating to say the least. Market's kind of slow. A couple stocks moved around this morning. Nothing looking that safe. You got BSPM kind of bouncing around, doing things. There's a big seller sitting there at 430. What else we got moving? They got XNET moving around. Up there to the 1440 area, you can see that previous resistance there at the 1450, 1447 area, holding it down right now. You got EYES, this little area here, not looking that hot right now. So it's almost 10 a.m. I might just go ahead and clock out at that point. I've got a bunch of stuff I got to do today. I got to go run some errands and work on some videos. I've been slacking on the editing for other things, not just the market stuff, but, you know, videos that actually pay money. I need to edit. You know, sometimes I get too wrapped up in the idea of like, hey, I need to make this amazing trading video. I want people to watch these videos. I want to make it. I got to trade, get all this money, and I, you know, force myself to sit here for 3 or 4 hours. Nothing happens. Maybe I overtrade. Maybe I force some trades. So I think today I'm just going to walk away. I'm up $100 on the day after commissions and fees. Made $115 there on CORT. I was up like 160 at one point. Just didn't really get that good of a fill. Oh, man. CORT. It's a crazy one. So I think I'm going to end it out there. I'm going to end it out there, up $100 on the day. Happy with that. The market's kind of slow this morning. I got some things I need to handle. Some business that I need to handle today. So I'm going to go and handle that business and then come back tomorrow morning and hope that we get a, you know, a little bit more of a active morning. This morning just doesn't seem that good, other than CORT, which was really a beautiful short. It's hard to look at. It's hard to look at it, but I'm going to go ahead and sign out there. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.